What's up, tubers? I hope you're having a happy hair day. I've been a barber for 37 years, and I just came across the best trimmers that I've ever had in my life, and I'm gonna share them with you. Hit it. Welcome back, fellas. Hey, look, if you know me and you've been following me, you might have seen some of my old videos, but I have been known to shit on Andis clippers. Well, really, okay, I'll be honest, the Andis masters. To me, I don't like them. They're very loud. I think that they are trash. So I was making videos about them and everything. But this one right here made me think totally different about the company. Now, I don't know if they heard what I said. I don't even know if they know who I am. But somebody spoke up and talked to Andis because the trimmer that they have brought, I gotta share it with you because it's the best trimmer that I have ever had in my life. This is the Andis Recon trimmer. I'm talking about soon as I took it out the box and put it on my first client, it cut like it was zero gapped by whoever invented zero gap. And I think they might have locked him in a laboratory and had him zero gap every single trimmer that they made. My goodness, let me tell you some of the features of this trimmer. I'll point out everything that's on the box. And by using them for one day, I can vouch for all of it. First of all, it has a linear motor, 8,500 SPMs. That's speed. The speed on these things is amazing. The way they feel in my hand, they're small, they're sleek, and they cut so good. Oh man, I can't say enough about these. The battery life runs up to 2 hours. What I always do before I use my trimmers, I like to plug them up so they can get a full charge. So with these, you can use these 2 hours straight before you need to charge them again. And if you're cutting at home, your 2 hours is gonna last you for like damn near a month because you're just lining your hair up real quick. And if you're a barber, 2 hours will last you a day. Keep putting them on the charger and they'll be good to go all day. It has a USB charger, a premium stand. I'm not gonna get into all that because that has nothing to do with cutting. That's just the basic stuff. This right here, the DLC coated deep tooth blade, this blade looks so good. It feels good, but most importantly, it cuts good. I don't care, like if it feels good and all that stuff and it didn't cut, to me, that ain't shit. But this thing right here, this blade cuts. Let me give you a close-up view. Now, let me talk about some of the accessories that it comes with. One thing that was very unique about these is it has interchangeable covers. I changed mine and I put the gold one on there. But if you wanted to change yours, you wanted to put black on there, or if you wanted to put smoke gray on there, you can change them and it's real easy. You just take the screws out, screw them back in, and then you have a different cover. But I like gold, that's my thing. So the gold one was my favorite one, but whatever you like, it has interchangeable covers. You might change your cover every month. It also comes with the standard guard. So this is good for if you're cutting your beard, you can line your beard up with the trimmer. But if you want to cut it down, you got the number 1, number 2, and number 3 guards. And these are good for your beard if you want to cut it down or if you want to shadow it. However, so you can actually use these instead of using a whole clipper for your beard. You can use these attachments and they're real easy to put on. All you have to do is just put it on, just attach it like that, and you're good to go. You have your standard comb. Guys, this is very important. You want to use your comb. A lot of guys make the mistake of not cleaning their trimmers after they use them. And then there's a lot of hair buildup. When you have the hair buildup, it's clogged and it can make your trimmers not cut. Every time you use these bad boys, every time you finish, you want to brush them off. You want to keep these teeth clean so they can cut smoothly. And lastly, is a trimmer oil. I highly recommend that you oil them. If you're a home barber and you're cutting your own hair or your beard, you want to oil them once a week. Now, if you're a barber at a shop, then you want to oil these bad boys every day. And it's very easy to oil. Only thing you got to do is just put 3 drops on them. 1, 2, 3. Then turn your trimmer on and just rub the oil in there. That's enough information about these trimmers. I'm going to show you how they work in action. I like to refer to this trimmer as a one-hitter quitter. As you can see, as soon as I hit that line, just with one stroke, pause, it's knocking the hair off. And guys, I didn't have to zero gap these or anything. This is how they came right out the box. Damn, that's nice. This is another client of mine. This is the result of using the Andis Recon trimmer. Look at that lineup, it's nice and tight. Yeah, I did them right. And here's one more client. Look at that front line. So fellas, get you a pair of these Andis Recon trimmers. Woo! You've seen how they look. You've seen how they cut my clients. You've seen the results. I highly recommend these Andis Recon trimmers. I'll leave a link in the description, but these are a must. I'll see y'all next time. Ciao.